From the dark ashes we stand tall, seeing our city with love that won't fall. Majestic Los Angeles will never break down. We unite together, piercing the blue dawn. Under neon lights we spark and soar. Bright like the stars we shine even more. Through all our trials we'll overcome and strive. In this city of dreams we're truly alive. Los Angeles, hearts beat in time. A symphony of strength you can't mind. In every corner love tirelessly roams. We call this endless city our home. In every shadow we find our way, rising through struggles night and day. Our spirits unyielding, refusing to bend. In every sunset there's hope to mend.